We are pleased to show you the 2020 BMW X4. The BMW X4 provides excellent handling and comes standard with all-wheel drive. The X4 has an attractive interior, which is outfitted with extremely high-end materials. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, power tailgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.